now time for our second session. And our next speaker, he is India's first passionpreneur mentor and a sales expert who was trained by international king of high-ticket sales, Dan Lok. He is famous for his unconventional way to selling and closing deals. He has unbelievable passion for sales and has closed multi-million-dollar deals in his professional journey. He truly believes that sales is not just an art to use in business, but it is an art of living and getting things in life. He is also a partner with international influencer Ron Malhotra, based out of Australia, and they have built a mentorship program to serve millions of people in India. Also an author of 80% Mindset, 20% Skills, he has mentored and trained many professionals and gave speech in prestigious institutes like IIM Ranchi and IIT Madras as guest speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Dave Garvey.
There will be some different energy in the room now, right? Good morning, Nepal!
Good morning.
Is this really the sales team and business teams? I've heard the sales people are always energetic, always excited. Let's do it one more time. Good morning, Nepal!
Good morning.
I was told that people, especially the youngsters in Nepal, are really, really passionate and enthusiastic. Let's try one more time. Don't disappoint, okay? You don't want me to go back to India and say, Nepal, energy is so down. Okay, are you guys ready one more time? Okay, because here's a secret I'll tell you. The energy level equals your income. It's the fact. It's the fact. If energy level is here, hello, good morning, Nepal. Yeah, your money, bank balance will be here. Let's check your bank balance, okay? One more time. Good morning, Nepal!
Good morning!
Yeah! Now give yourself a round of applause. Now, this is first time for me coming to Nepal, okay? And let me tell you, I was literally blown away with the hospitality that you guys have shown, the culture that you have. I visited some of your places, some Patan Museum, I've been to zoo, and I've been to one more temple. I forgot what is the temple. Probably hilltop somewhere. But it is really, really beautiful. I'm really excited to be spending next couple of hours with you guys, summarizing what I've learned in about last 18 years. What the introduction I got, I was really humbled, and whatever I've achieved, I'm really humbled. But at the end of the day, what matters is what's in it for you. Right? So are you guys ready to experience something new and learn something new? Are you excited? Raise your hand, please. Yes, give yourself a round of applause again. Let me tell you something interesting. All of you are here powerful, okay? Let me just understand who is who. Who is from sales? Raise your hand. Okay. Who is an entrepreneur? Also raise your hand. Sales and entrepreneur. If you CEO of sales, raise your hand again. Okay, alright, okay, cool. So, let me tell you, all of you are really, really powerful. And I mean it. You know how powerful you are? You have some amazing technology which is with you. It's so powerful that technology can literally make you not only millionaire, can also make you a billionaire. Do you want to know what is that technology?
Yeah.
It fits in your pocket, by the way. Do you know what is that technology? Anybody? Cell phone, okay? So I want you to pull out your cell phone. Let's do this one quick exercise. Pull out your cell phone, everybody. Quickly. Come on. Where's the energy? Bank balance, remember? Alright. I want you to switch on the torch. Everybody switch on the torch of your mobile. Quick, real quick. Okay? Now this will be a nice photo, okay? By the way, photographer, be ready. Photographer, can you please come here on the stage? Everybody, raise your phone up and show this. Okay, everybody. The only person who's not raising the phone is who's not got the smartphone, which is what? A dumb phone. Alright, everybody, raise your hand and wave this like this. Alright, awesome. You see, everybody is powerful. Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself a round of applause. Come on. Alright, good, good. The reason why I shared with you that this device is so powerful now, what you need to do is either put it on silent or switch it off. You don't want any distraction. Because what you're going to learn today can literally 5x your sales and your income. If you are an employee, it can give you incentive 5 times. Who would love to have 5 times more money? Raise your hand. Okay, if you don't raise your hand, you will not get the money. Okay, alright. Let me tell you why this is a powerful device. How many of you have been to the supermarkets to buy groceries or bread? Raise your hand, please. Okay, good, good, good. Come on, I like the participation, okay? This is not one way. It's communication, okay? So, imagine you walk into a grocery store, okay? And there's no security guard. You can steal anything if you want. There's no security guard. You walk into that store, you pick up the bag, you put whatever you want, and you walk out. Who would love to have that kind of grocery store? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you love to have that kind of grocery store. Good. Yeah, you can shout and you can interact, okay? I love people who are interactive, okay? So, what if I told you that there is a store like this? Seattle, Washington. वहाँ पे एक grocery shop है जिसमें you can just walk in, जो भी खरीदना है खरीदो और बाहर निकल जाओ. How many of you know about that? Raise your hand. You know that there is a store like this, okay? Some of you. What is that store called? Amazon Go. The cell phone has an application on it. By the way, you still have to pay. Don't be happy. You still have to pay. So you switch on the application. When you walk in, you swipe the application on the terminal. You pick up the stuff, and there is an auto sensors, the cameras, which actually detect what you picked up from the shelf. Okay, and the moment you put it there, it goes into your cart in the application. Whatever you pick. Now you must be thinking, what if I had to replace? Do I have to go to somebody? No. The moment you replace, it also deletes it. That's how smart the technology is today. And the moment you check out with all your grocery bag and everything, the moment you walk out, the sensor automatically senses it. Application was on through what when you were in the store, and it automatically bills you in your credit card. Now what has happened here? There's no human connection. There's no human interaction. The amount of time that you waste standing in the queue is saved. In short, it's peace of mind. And at what? At a simple technology device which just sits in your pocket. What is that? That is the future of sales and business. Now, some of you must be thinking, okay, what's so great about this, Dave? Usme kya ho gaya? What is this on the screen? Jor se. Fridge. Okay? What kind of fridge is this? Is this an ordinary fridge? It's a smart fridge. How many of you have heard Samsung's new smart fridge, which looks like this? How many of you have seen this? Raise your hand. How many of you have seen this either photo or you probably have one at home? If you haven't seen this, you should not be here. You must be a millionaire. Alright. Okay. So what is so special about this? This fridge is so crucial. What is this doing? Is it's connecting the machine with humans. Right? Initially I spoke about smartphone and dumb phone. All the refrigerators, all the fridge will either be smart or it'll be dumb. Depends on who you are. Alright? So what happens? This is just so if somebody wants to interact with this phone, they can watch the videos, they can leave the voice message, the entire family can see it. Right? If I'm going somewhere, I'll leave a voice note to somebody. They can check and do a lot of interactive communication through the fridge. Oh my God, are you kidding me? What kind of world are we going towards? Now imagine, let's go to one step forward. एक कदम और आगे. ऐसा technology, the Internet of Things. How many heard of Internet of Things? Raise your hand. Okay. Artificial intelligence. Anybody? Okay, good. क्या हो गया उससे? ये fridge और भी smart हो जाएगा. What will happen is, you will feed the stock in the fridge that you want at every point of time. And what will happen is, this fridge is so smart that it will become your assistant and it will check. Tomato khatam ho raha hai. Order. What will happen is, this will interact with your online shopping portals. And shopping portal will directly send it to your home. Now imagine, how many of you are fed up of standing in the queue in the grocery store? Raise your hand. Yeah, I'm fed up, man. I don't want to go there. Don't be shy. Raise your hand properly. Everybody, come on. That means you will be a millionaire. Because you know this is a time waste thing. This is not the highly important thing that you are doing. So what are you doing? You're becoming a functional person. Okay? Now you must be thinking, oh shoot, I love standing in the queue. Yeah, good luck.